Hello, everyone. Today I'm excited to walk you through the McGinty equation Space Folding Explorer. This interactive application visualizes a fascinating theoretical framework that explores how space-time itself might be manipulated through advanced physics concepts. So before we dive in, I want to emphasize that while this is speculative theoretical physics, it's not established science. This application provides an intuitive way to understand these complex concepts through visualization and interactivity. Our app has three main sections that we'll explore today: the introduction, the theoretical framework, and the interactive portal simulator. We'll examine each one in detail. Starting with the introduction tab, which you'll see here, this provides the conceptual foundation for understanding space folding theory. The core idea presented here is that space folding might theoretically be achieved not through classical wormholes or exotic matter, but by manipulating what we call fractal field topologies through quantum fractal resonance. Let me highlight the key concepts. First, we have fractal field topologies, which are mathematical structures that theoretically underlie spacetime. Next is resonance coupling, which describes how two distant points could establish a harmonic connection. The field phase overlay refers to the alignment of quantum phases to create adjacent points in spacetime. And then the co-entanglement describes how spatially separated coordinates could become quantum linked. The visualization in the center represents the McGinty equation concept, which is the grounding theoretical mathematical framework that integrates quantum field theory, fractal mathematics, gravitational physics, and this topological manipulation. The beauty of the theoretical approach is it doesn't require breaking any established physical laws, but instead it suggests leveraging quantum mechanics and fractal mathematics in a new way to achieve what appears impossible in classical physics. Now let's move to the theoretical framework tab. This breaks down the mathematical components in more detail. And the first section covers the extended McGinty equation. Let me expand that for you. This equation integrates several components: quantum field theory terms representing fundamental particles and fields, fractal mathematics describing the self-similar structures at different scales, gravitational influences on space-time, and then the folding component that theoretically enables topological connections. If we look at the folding operator section, we can see the mathematical description of how 2 points in space could become topologically identified. When this operator reaches a critical threshold, the points connect through what the theory calls the resonance tunnel. Let me also expand the spatial resonance functions section here. This defines when the folding occurs, specifically when the frequency mode aligns with what's called the harmonic spectrum. In the theory, maximum resonance opens a potential portal. The folded metric tensor. This section describes how local space-time geometry would be modified to enable folding without creating dangerous singularities. And the transportation probability field, it mathematically describes the likelihood of successful transition between points, approaching 100% when all conditions are optimal. And then finally, we have the temporal synchronization field. This section addresses a really critical concern, ensuring that time remains synchronized between the folded points to prevent any causality violations. So together, these mathematical structures create a comprehensive theoretical framework for how space itself can be manipulated in a controlled way. Now for the most engaging part, the interactive portal simulator. This visualization demonstrates how the parameters of the McGinty equation might interact to create a theoretical space folding portal. You can see the visual representation of space-time with the portal formation. The grid lines show the theoretical distortion of space-time as the parameters change. And when the portal forms, you'll notice how the grid lines appear to bend and the center glows more intensely. And below we have our parameter controls, each representing a key component of the McGinty equation. Folding strength represents the intensity of the folding field. The theory suggests that values above 75% are needed for stable portals. The resonance frequency aligns with the harmonic spectrum, with 333 terahertz being optimal. Fractal dimension sets the self-similarity pattern of space-time, with 2.5 to 2.7 being the theoretical sweet spot. And phase alignment determines how well quantum phases match between points. So higher values dramatically increase the folding probability. So let me demonstrate how these interact. We'll keep the fractal dimension set at 2.6, which is right in the optimal range. The resonance frequency is at 333, which is where we've got it set by default to match the theoretical optimum. Now watch what happens as I increase both the folding strength and the phase alignment simultaneously. As the parameters approach their optimal values, you can see the portal status changes from closed to forming to finally stable connection. The portal indicator score shows that we're now well over the 80% stability. Notice how the portal visualization intensified with the stronger distortion patterns and a brighter illumination, indicating the theoretically stable connection between 2 points in space. If I adjust any parameter away from its optimal range, for example, changing the resonance frequency away from 333, we'll start to see that the portal score begins to immediately destabilize. So as the portal score drops, the visualization shows the connection weakening. This interactive simulation helps illustrate the precise balance required by the theory. Every parameter must be finely tuned to create the conditions where space folding might become possible. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the parameter relationship section. This explains the optimal values and why they matter according to the theoretical framework. So let's zoom back out and take a quick look at what this application has shown us. The 3 tabs we've explored provide the progressive levels of understanding. The introduction establishes a conceptual foundation with accessible explanations. The theoretical framework offers a deeper dive into the mathematics for those interested in the details. And then the interactive portal simulator brings the theory to life through visualization. Together, they create a comprehensive tool that makes a complex theoretical physics accessible to anyone, regardless of their mathematical background. While actual space folding remains firmly in the realm of speculation, this application does help visualize what someday may be possible as our understanding of physics advances. It transforms abstract mathematical concepts into intuitive experiences that anyone can explore. The McGinty equation Space Folding Explorer is not just an educational research, but it's also a thought experiment about the frontiers of theoretical physics and what may become possible with sufficiently advanced science and technology. I hope this demonstration has given you the insight into both the application itself and then the fascinating theoretical concepts it represents. The beauty of the interactive educational tools like this is they invite curiosity and for people to explore, which makes very complex science much more approachable and engaging. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and feel free to explore yourself, and happy to answer any questions. Thanks.